Why use Azure Synapse Ingestion from Kafka is a comprehensive guide that explains the benefits of integrating Azure Synapse with Apache Kafka for data ingestion. Step 1 is understanding the basics of Azure Synapse and Apache Kafka. Azure Synapse is a cloud-based analytics service that allows users to integrate and analyze data from various sources, while Apache Kafka is a distributed event store and stream processing platform. Step 2 is identifying the challenges of traditional data ingestion methods, such as high latency, low throughput, and data duplication. Azure Synapse Ingestion from Kafka addresses these challenges by providing a scalable and reliable way to ingest data into Azure Synapse. The key concept here is that Azure Synapse provides a managed Kafka connector that allows users to easily integrate Kafka with Azure Synapse. This connector enables users to ingest data from Kafka topics into Azure Synapse, where it can be processed and analyzed. A practical example of using Azure Synapse Ingestion from Kafka is in real-time analytics, where data from various sources such as IoT devices, social media, and applications can be ingested into Azure Synapse for analysis. For instance, a company can use Kafka to collect log data from its applications and then use Azure Synapse to analyze this data and gain insights into application performance. Best practices for using Azure Synapse Ingestion from Kafka include configuring the Kafka connector to handle high volumes of data, monitoring data ingestion for errors and latency, and optimizing data processing and analysis workflows. In conclusion, Azure Synapse Ingestion from Kafka provides a powerful and scalable solution for data ingestion and analysis, enabling users to process and analyze large volumes of data in real time. By following the steps outlined in this guide and using best practices, users can unlock the full potential of Azure Synapse and Kafka for their data analytics needs.